Hi all, my name is Rafi SPM and I'm excited to walk you through our platform DilSeDaan. We all know people in India want to give something to others, but there's often that doubt like, where does my money actually go? So we have built a platform called DilSeDaan to solve the problem by making the entire process transparent and verifiable. Here's a demonstration of our homepage where you can see the donation button and transparency along with the impacts that we have created till now. Like this is mock data and the stories of hope which we are planning to give and which we have given till now. Along with it, the campaigns that are currently running and the user should be is able to donate to these campaigns. Along with it, we have real like advanced features like real-time analytics of the transactions. A donor can easily explore the campaigns that are available. Currently, there are around 12 to 13 campaigns, each with their own story and its own title. The donor can explore these campaigns and connect with a cause that matters to them. The key here is every donor has a personalized dashboard to track their contributions. Let's sign up with an account. Yeah, after successful signing, now that I'm signed in, I have a couple of ways to donate. For our Web3 users, I can just click the Connect Wallet. The MetaMask extension pops up. From here, I can donate to the campaign from my MetaMask wallet. This allows users to donate directly with the cryptocurrencies like Matic for a true end-to-end blockchain experience. इस मन की बात सुनने वाले हैं हम. The donor will be able to pick up the amount they are willing to donate. They can even put up a custom amount here. They can even choose the payment method in which they are trying to pay. So let's take the UPI. For this, we have tried working with the Razorpay UPI, but the API didn't come for business because it's just in the beginning. So we went with a mock QR code generator, and along they can even pay through their apps also. Like after paying, they'll get a mail to them. So we have made like this is the welcome page which a user gets whenever they create an account from us. After successful donation, we get a page like this, and the mail would be sent to the donor who donated the amount. Yeah, let me show you the magic. This is where the DilSeDaan experience truly begins. We have created a live impact page where each floating lantern represents a real donation. It's a living visualization of generosity, and each lantern is interactive. So as you can see, it shows the matic value from the user and the current progress of the status for that specific campaign. You can also check the live transactions that are going around the India. From here, you can choose which cause you can support. But to see the real details, we need to go into the trust page. This is how we allocate the general fund. For the users who are unsure to which campaign they need to donate, they can donate to the general fund, and this is how we will be allocating the fund. This is the heart of our platform. Here, everything is laid out with absolute transparency. You can see the blockchain details, cryptographic blockchain proof, and most importantly, the proof of impact. As organization uses funds, they update the breakdown right here, accounting for single rupee. This is how we close the loop. You can even verify the proof from here and can check it on the Ethereum also, like how much amount they donated to our bank from where, and you can even check the timestamp and block value. A user can be a general user or they can be from any charity also. They can even start their own campaign. So here's the start campaign page where they'll be entering their organization name along with the organization type they are from. Like let us take the public private. So their mail is let's take something. So let's take the demo data for as of now. So here they need to give the campaign title which they are willing to price and the urgency level and under which category it would come. So the training women would come under women empowerment and the detailed description of what they are planning to do and how much amount they are willing to price for this and the campaign duration they are trying to run this, say 50, and the state where they are willing to do this and specific location also. Let's take those and number of people this would affect. So let's take 100 women and who are in the age group of 35 to 60. So we are focusing on women and what kind of benefits would come to them. So what's the expected impact statement? Let's assume this would be the case. And the implementation plan, the thorough plan they are trying to implement. In the timeline of the project they are aiming for. So let's take around 3 months. and the milestone, like they can even have their own milestones in between the project timeline. So here's where the main part comes in the whole campaign page. This is where they need to submit all the documentations, like their along with the tax exemption, there how much they would be taking the tax from it, and with project proposal with clear implementation plan, their budget breakdown, along with who would be benefited and what were their previous work, so that we get a trust on them whether these people are capable of doing the charity or not, and their contact information. After submitting everything in this, these details would go to the admin dashboard for validation. But how do we ensure all this information is trustworthy? That's managed through our comprehensive admin dashboard. Okay, so let's log out, sign in with the admin account. From here, we can manage campaigns, oversee blockchain operations, and verify new causes before they go live, ensuring the integrity of the entire platform. Here you can see all the active campaigns, and the admin would be able to create their own campaign. Along with that, they can even verify whether after looking all the details, like documents which have provided earlier, and after check, you can even verify the campaign. So see, as you can see, it's verified, and now it would be available in the stories page. So the donors or users would be able to donate for this campaign. So that is our thing. And here's the live blockchain, and the recent transactions would be available in here, and we can export it as Excel, and we can even see the blockchain if there's any delay in it. And here comes the users section where recent users would be available, and we can even delete them or mark them as spam. Okay, we can even set the refresh timeline in how much time the dashboard should be refreshed. Beyond just donations, we also have pages for the community engagement, like our volunteer page. Simple way to get in to make our platform accessible to everyone. The volunteers would be able to join any mission they are willing to, and this application would come to us, the admin, and he would be able to accept it depending upon the person's eligibility and taking a small test from them. They can even create their own volunteer opportunity, like the organization they'll be working on, and for what cause they'll be working on, in which place they'll be doing things, and how many volunteers they needed for this. So they can even create their own opportunity from this. Also build a simple contact page where users can message us if they have any queries. The frequent asked questions page also. So this is our footer where they can get all the information they want. Like they can ask, they can go to about us section, or else they can even go to frequent asked questions. Like we already answered most of the questions. If there are any issues, they can contact us through this contact page. Mhm. And also to make our platform accessible to everyone, we have built it in a multilingual platform. So currently supporting both Hindi and English. And in future, we are planning to include all these languages also. So from direct wallet integration to a live impact page and a detailed proof of impact, DilSeDaan is a complete ecosystem designed to restore faith in giving. It's a space where people can donate from the heart with total peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching.